So I'm used to action.
Action.
Starting a plant-based diet is not as so no, I don't say so, man. Sorry. I'm caught. Hi guys, welcome back to this episode of Healthy Living with Tosin. So let's talk about some of the solutions to these problems in maintaining a plant-based lifestyle in Lagos. So one of the things that I had to do was, or that happened in my experience, was that I started off really bad. If the word is bad, I don't know what else to use, but starting off, I mean, making my meals, it was pretty difficult because I didn't know what to do, I didn't know what to add, I didn't know how to make these meals. And I mean, I have pictures on my phone when I started some of these meals, and now comparing to what I used to do, how I started to what I know right now, the difference is clear. So for most people who are actually picky eaters, you need to work on how you can make your meals, mix and match. That was how I started to enjoy this meals. Especially when it comes to breakfast. When it comes to oatmeal, I never liked oatmeal. I mean, I never liked oatmeal, but I had to improvise it. I had to, look for things that I would enjoy in my bowl. So, for instance, if I make my oatmeal, I had chia seeds, I had nuts. So I love cashew nuts. I had nuts. I had what's this called? Blueberries. If I definitely find blueberries at the supermarket, I buy. And not looking at the cost because I know it's expensive. Yes, I understand, but I buy it. And then if I have some strawberries, I chop some strawberries inside or substitute it for banana. So the banana also serves as sugar in my oatmeal if I don't have to put a lot of sweetness inside it. So this is just one bowl of oatmeal, and already you can imagine how colorful it looks like and how tasty it will look like when you have that meal. So it's basically just putting things together. See how you can match your veggies, see how you can match your grains, see how you can use your oil, know the type of oils you need to use. You can also check one of my videos on this channel. I talked about different cooking oils. So these are the things that you can see, that you can buy and then start practicing in your kitchen, making all this snacks, making your dinner, your breakfast, your lunch. And I'm sure you would definitely enjoy it, with time. You would definitely enjoy it and, own the meals that you make in your kitchen. Another solution to the problem is by making simple and nutritious meals in your kitchen. So, for instance, if you're craving something, delicious, you've thought about the flavors, you thought about the colors in your head, you can actually check this out and try the recipes. It's simple, it's easy, it's tasty. This is where you can also add your herbs and spices because you would definitely know how to grow your taste buds. So another solution to the problem is by working on a budget. So when I started off, I pretty much wasted a lot of money because I was buying and buying and buying and buying, and I ended up not eating everything. So most of it went to waste. And in the course of my journey, I then realized that you need to have a budget. There is no reason why I should shop for all these things because they look attractive to the eyes, and you want to buy this, you want to try this, you want to get this, and at the end of the day, you get home, you don't know what to do with it, so some of them get to waste. And again, some of these products also expire in the kitchen, so I lose at the end of the day. So just so you don't lose or you don't waste your money, you need to work on a budget. Plan. You need to plan ahead, have a list of things that you want to buy. Starting a plant-based diet is not expensive, but you need to plan and you need to have a budget. So you can start with legumes, you can start with your whole grains, your fresh produce, the spices, the herbs, your condiments, your cooking oils. You need to know what you are buying. Have a list. Once you have a list, that helps you to plan ahead and also stay to your budget. Do not be like me, because I've been a victim of spending and I ended up not eating some of these meals. So this is just to help you, start on a good note, and also to keep it up, with the consistency, and you also have to be disciplined. You know, when you're on a plant-based diet, you need to be disciplined. You need to know what you want, go for what you want, stay focused, and I know for sure you get to see all the health benefits. Load up your meals with some plant-based protein sources like tofu. You can get tofu as far in VI. You can load it up with some quinoa. You can load it up with some legumes. I have a video where I talked about plant-based protein sources, so you can check it out on this channel. So do let me know what the challenges are. I have faced some challenges and I was able to overcome them by number one, staying focused, number two, by changing my mindset, number three, by staying disciplined. It's not really easy. Number four, by being consistent and you know, avoiding all distractions. And when I mean by distractions, you know, like I crave some type of news that I know I don't want to go back to, but I just try to, you know, help myself by taking my mind off it. So being disciplined and staying consistent is really important. And number five, mix and match. Enjoy your recipes, enjoy the taste, enjoy the tasty meals you'll be making in your kitchen. You know, make it fun while it lasts, make it tasty, use the spices, use your herbs, use your supplements, the substitutes that you can lay your hands on, and this would actually, you know, help you live and maintain a plant-based lifestyle in Lagos. We've come to the end of this episode, and thank you guys for sticking with me. If you need help on how to maintain a plant-based lifestyle here in Lagos, Nigeria, I'm that girl, I'm that person. Allah at me, and I'll help you. I'll put you through on the things that you need to know: where to shop, how to maintain your lifestyle, how to work on the budget, which is very important. Do not forget to like this video, share, and also drop your comments. I want to hear from you. I need to know what your take is on this video, and please subscribe and turn on the notification button, because I'll be coming back again with another bombastic video on this channel. See you guys next time, and bye for now.